Hello guys, welcome you all again in another learning video at Learning. So today we are going to see how we can resolve an issue of Jenkins or Windows. So the issue is that when I'm trying to access the Jenkins and you are seeing this port 9091 which was set as a port to serve Jenkins over the local host, and when I'm trying to access Jenkins I'm not able to get that because it's showing this thing. That means the service is not working. So if it's clear from here that service is not working, so we will go to the services and we will see whether the service is enabled or not. And when I open this Windows service list and I find the Jenkins, I see that Jenkins status it's not running. So definitely I'm going to start it, and oh oops, so this program the service is not able to start because of this error. The error says that Jenkins service on local computer started and then stopped. So definitely there is something which is stopping Jenkins, and then Jenkins is not able to start the services. So the problem which is right now showing on the screen must be something which is required from Jenkins. So how we can debug this? So the purpose of this tutorial, this video, is to learn how we can resolve this issue or how we can debug this issue and find out the root cause of this, and eventually to resolve this issue. So definitely we need some log where we can see what is the actual issue. So definitely we need to go to Jenkins folder, and if you don't find this file, so what you can do, you can sort it by date modified, and you can see the file which is updated latest. So these are the two files which are updated, and basically this one is the file which is updated at the latest time. So what we are going to do, we are going to open this log file, and we can find the latest log, which is this, and what it's saying that it requires java.exe, and after accessing that location or requiring this stuff, it eventually stopping. So what we need to do, we can copy this, and we are trying to find whether this file java.exe is actually exist on this location or not. So we can go to this directory, and oops, what we see here that there is no bin. Inside the bin there is no exe file which is actually required from Jenkins. So definitely Jenkins will not able to start the services. So now our ultimate goal is to provide the java.exe to Jenkins so that it can get what is required and it can start itself. So we can move little bit back and we can find these all versions, and I think we can look into another directory. Okay, so inside bin there are a lot of stuff, and java.exe is also available. So what we can do, we can copy this, path, and now we will try to replace it with one of the files which is actually required by the Jenkins. So we will open this up in any editor, and we will look for the actual required one from Jenkins, and what we can see here is this. So what we are going to do, we are going to replace this path with the new one where the actual java.exe exists. So we will paste it, and now despite of 11, it is basically following the 12th version directory, and it will find the java.exe inside the bin. So after saving this, we can try to start the service again. So let's do this, and wow, it's running. So from the log we got the issue that it's not able to find the java.exe. We have replaced it with the existing java.exe directory path, and when it's when Jenkins is finding the actual java.exe, Jenkins was able to start the service. So definitely now I will be able to get the required UI of Jenkins. So let me start, and yep, here we have the Jenkins service started, and we have this UI. So this is how we have resolved the issue. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching, guys.